This is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy recipe for strawberry mint popsicles. Now they're super simple to make, just needing 3 ingredients: some mint syrup, some strawberries, and water. Yep, that's right, just 3 little things. And if you don't know how to make mint syrup, no problem. I will post a link to my video on how to do that too. So let's get started and I'll show you how. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some strawberries to our popsicle molds. And I cut them a little thick so they fit snugly in the popsicle mold. Then add a leaf of mint and then more strawberries to help hold them down. And we're going to repeat this for each of the popsicles we're going to be making. And then once this is done, we'll make the liquid to go over top. The first thing we'll do is add the mint syrup to the water and give it a whisk. And then we're going to start to fill the popsicle molds. So I pour in some, give it a little jiggle to loosen up any air bubbles, and then pour in a little more. And we'll do that for each one. And then we will put the popsicle sticks and lids on. And I have these reusable popsicle sticks, but you know, when you get those in there, you kind of have to wiggle them around the strawberries. And then once we have them all the tops on, we're going to take it to the freezer, and then once they're frozen, we can take them out, and they look so good with the strawberry chunks and the mint. And if you like the printable recipe, you can head over to the blog at frugalfamilyhome.com. There you can get more tips on making these and the printable recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.